welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. I've got another video for my recreation series. This time I'm going to be focusing on Dua Lipa. So another concert makeup look. It is an insane look that was created by her makeup artist called Francesca Brazzo. And I'm so excited to try and recreate this today. It is definitely a Sophie Hannah look. I'm literally loving this concert makeup look that she wore last year. Let's get creating it. Throughout this video you will see some products that I've not actually ever used before, so I'm going to try and talk through it and show you all the different steps that I'm taking to create this look, and yeah, giving a little review of all the new products as well at the same time. So let's get recreating this concert makeup look from Dua Lipa. First up, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I love using this product. I basically spritz my face before I go to bed, before I do my makeup. I even did Robin the other day. I just feel like it's really, really refreshing. Love it. So before I jump into my base makeup, which is the first step that I always do, I'm going to be trying out this new Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I always love applying a moisturiser underneath my foundation or some sort of like moisturising primer. So yeah, I'm going to give this a go. It looks amazing. It says that this is a 24-hour lightweight hydrating cream. I feel like it's left my face super soft. Yeah, can't wait to apply my foundation and see how it goes over the top. So for my foundation, I'm going to be taking the new Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and I've got this in shade Ivory. I'm going to be applying it with the Hourglass foundation brush. This is one of my favourite brushes. I just feel like it leaves your skin with a really, really nice finish. So once I finished off with using the Hourglass brush, I then take a beauty blender and apply the foundation on my nose and underneath my eyes. I just find it's much easier using a sponge to get in all of those kind of areas. And there we have it, the foundation is applied. I'm really loving that coverage. It's not too thick, but you can see that I've got foundation on and it's covered kind of all my imperfections and made my skin all one tone. Yeah, really, really pleased with that. Doesn't look cakey. And I feel like it's sticking really, really well to the facial cream from Kiehl's. Right, next up is concealer. Now, this is my new favourite concealer from L'Oreal Infallible. It's called the More Than Concealer. It is really thick, which I absolutely love because I gotta hide those bags. Love it. Love the application brush that it comes with. You don't need much. A lot of it does go far. It's really easy to apply. I use a sponge and my finger, and yeah, it's so good. Highly recommend you trying it out. Now before I set that, I'm going to be applying a little bit of contour with a darker shade of the Infallible More Than Concealer. It's great because you can use this as a contour. So I'm going to be applying it just underneath my cheekbones and on my nose. To apply some setting powder. So I'm going to be trying out the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and using the Huda Beauty Face Bake and Blend brush as well. Let's give it a go. Wow, I am super impressed with that. That is so nice. It's left my skin with a really, really nice finish. But my skin still feels like really kind of hydrated from that Kiehl's face cream. I can feel it. It's really weird to explain, but like my skin feels kind of, not sticky in a way, but it feels hydrated. Interesting. Okay, like that. That's really set the underneath of my eyes really, really well. Also, this brush was so easy to use, and it's so soft. Like, it felt so nice, like under my eyes. Love it. Now it's time for some bronzer, and I do love a matte bronzer sometimes. So I'm going to be grabbing the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Next up, I want to highlight my face. So I'm going to be taking the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette, and I'm going to be taking this really nice pinky shimmery shade here. Now, I've not used that highlighter before, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like, you can't really see it from the front, but when you turn to the side, it like pops this amazing shimmery pink. So nice. Ooh, love it. Next up, we're going to be moving on to the eye makeup, which looks a little bit tricky, but fingers crossed I'm going to be able to do this okay. I'm going to be using a new product from Too Faced. They've brought out a Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and the felt tip nib looks unreal. So hopefully this is going to help me out. So they did not lie on the whole easy glide thing. That was so easy to use. I felt like I could just kind of go for it, and it just glided and made like a really, really nice line. Like, there was no kind of little splodges from the liquid liner. Oh my god, I think this has just become my favourite eyeliner. Honestly, and the fact that it's waterproof as well. Wow. Guys, you need to try this out. I'm really, really impressed. Next up, I'm going to be taking the La Roche-Posay black pencil, and I'm going to be colouring in my waterline on my eyes. Now we are going to be applying some mascara. Now, I'm so into this whole mascara primer trend that is happening right now. It's literally changed my life. So I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Mascara Primer and applying that first before I apply my black mascara. I just feel like using a primer really separates my lashes, it pushes them up, and it gets them ready for the black mascara or whatever colour mascara that I'm going to wear. Like, instead of using like eyelash curlers, this does everything for you. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on top of the Marc Jacobs primer. Next up is my eyebrows, and for this I'm going to be using the Precisely Brow Pencil from Benefit in shade 4.5. Now, I always like to start with this brow pencil, and I kind of fill in my brows on the end here, draw hair streaks in at the start, and then I go in with a different product afterwards to finish them off, and I'll show you that in a second. So the next brow product I use is the new Urban Decay Brow Blades. I love this because on one end you have a felt tip nib, and on the other you've got the pencil. But I do have to say I prefer the Precisely Brow Pencil just because it's a little bit lighter, and I just feel like it's got more of a precision. But the felt tip nib on this is honestly amazing because you can draw actual hairlines, and they're going to be a little bit darker. So I feel like I always start with kind of a lighter base, and then I build it up with darker hairlines. So now my brows are are done, the next thing I like to use the Urban Decay brow blade for is my beauty spots. So I like to just draw over them, and I use the felt tip nib for that because it doesn't dry straight away. So I draw the dot and then kind of tap my finger over it, and then it makes it a little bit lighter and takes away some of the liquid. Now I'm getting on to the super exciting bit, the stick-on stars. So Dua Lipa has stick-on stars applied along here, and then she's got a tiny little gem just applied in the corner of her eyes. I have got my jewel embellishment stickers from the range. I love their craft section in there. You can usually find embellishments which have got stickers on the back of them already, and then you can just add a bit of eyelash glue if you need extra stick, or yeah, you just apply them as stickers. So let's get going. Oh my god, how cute are these jewels? I'm loving it. This look is coming together so well. Wow. Okay, to finish it off, I'm going to be using a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in shade She-E-O. And then I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Liner in Pillow Talk. Look, what do we think? Oh my god, I feel like I did a really good job at this. I love it. It's so funky. What cool concert makeup. Honestly, like, you need to check out Dua Lipa's Instagram. I didn't realise that her kind of makeup style was like really out there like this, but her makeup artist is amazing. Love it. I love this look. I would 100% wear this out. I'd wear it to a festival, a music concert, or yeah, or a birthday party or something. It's really funky, and it's like so simple as well. Like, there's not too much going on. I love it. What do you guys think? Did you think I did a really good job at recreating Dua Lipa's concert makeup look? If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because I have many more videos coming soon. Yeah. I've popped all links below to the products that I've used so you can shop this whole look or try out some of the products that I reviewed. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video here very soon. Peace out.